The VECTORCOM AT-6666PRO Mobile Radio delivers strong transmit performance on the 10-meter band with ample power in amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, and single sideband modes for long-range mobile contacts. Its receiver is impressively sensitive and benefits from selectable noise reduction, noise blanker, and automatic noise limiter features that help keep signals intelligible in high-interference environments, such as trucks and off-road vehicles. The large, multicolor liquid crystal display and logically arranged front panel controls make it easy to monitor operating status and adjust settings safely while driving. Extensive operating modes and tools, including continuous wave, dual watch, scanning, clarifier, repeater shift, and programmable microphone keys, give experienced operators a lot of flexibility to tailor the radio to different operating styles. Built-in automatic squelch, voice-operated transmit with adjustable sensitivity, and functions like echo, high cut, and timeout timer add convenience and help maintain clear, controlled audio on busy channels. Despite its substantial feature set and high output power, the radio remains compact and reasonably light, and it comes with the essential mounting hardware and accessories needed for straightforward installation in a vehicle or base station setup.